Hello, my name is Viharaa Jayasinghe and this is the 19th episode of my e-commerce web application project. And in this video, I'll be mainly focusing on the programming part of the basic product searching process, including pagination. So let's go to my web application. You can either type something and search or select your required category, or else even you can do both, type something and select an option and search. So let's firstly look keyword, then let's search. So as you can see, we received all Apple phones. Get all the laptops by clicking this. As you can see, there are more products, that's why we have a second page here. So let's see what we'll get when we search both the keyword and the option should be satisfied in order to get our required product. So this is our result. The product is Samsung and it's iPhone. So we got this as our result. Now let's see, and here we are in our Visual Studio Code, and this is our home.php file, and this is the basic search button, and here we have, so this is our input field where we have used our ID basic search text, and for the category we have used this ID, and here we have set up our data of the category table to this volume. So after selecting and inserting our required category or the keyword, we click this, so we execute this function, or else we activate this basic search function. We even send this parameter as well. So let's go to our JavaScript, and so here is our basic search function with the parameter as well, and here are the IDs, ID of the text field and ID of the dropdown, and we have assigned it to these two variables. And as you can see, we have append the page using that parameter. And after appending those data, we send those using an AJAX request in post method to basic search process.php file, which is this. And once again, you can see we have made a connection, so we can make a connection between our database. Once again, those data that we received from the post method are assigned to these two variables, and this is our base query. We concatenate the required query paths according to the user's requirements. So if the user has typed something and have not selected a category, we concatenate this query path to this. And likewise, if the text field is empty and the user has selected a category, we concatenate this. That's why we have used this dot, so we can concatenate this query part to this. And another thing is, we have to keep a space, or else over here if we are to concatenate something. So yes, and if the user has typed a text, typed a keyword and have selected a category, this get concatenated. And that's the basic search process. And if we go further, which is the initial pagination part where we determine our products in one page. So moving on, uh, our pagination process continues, and this is the place where we determine, where it determines the previous process, and here is the next process, same as I have explained in the previous video. However, we have changed the function. This time basic search is the function, and we have made the respective page item active. The one we are looking is active, and other ones are inactive, as you can see. So I will show you now. So as we are in the first page, the page item 1 is active. So yes, so that would be the end of the 19th episode of my e-commerce web application project. And thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Thank you.